got these pallet dividers and I want to convert one to a picket fence, and I want to try out some different products that we have to see which one I like the best. Here's the products I'm going to be trying out. This one's organo wood, which should turn it kind of a silver gray. Then we got a few OSMO products. One coat only white spruce, this opaque gloss wood stain, and we've got just UV protection oil, which is a neutral, so it'll have some white in it. And this is I've got some sample packets of some OSMO country color I want to try out, just to give you a broad idea of if you want a white picket fence, what it would look like. I'm going to use these Norton white Scotch-Brite pads to apply it. You could probably use a brush, would be easier, but I've got these handy. All of these products you can hit me up on. I'll see if I got them available for your project. Here's my methodology. I'm going to put it all on this darker colored board here, just so you can see it all on this dark board, all 5 of the different products, and then I'll come over here and put it across these 5 lighter color boards, just so you can have a good comparison to see which product would be best for you. Okay, I just thought you might want to see what this looks like before I apply it. First one is the organo wood. It's almost clear and watery. This is the one coat only, one of the thicker ones. Not as thick as this 2104 wood stain. That was the thickest. Then the 429 UV oil. It's not. You can see it's not white because it's got a little bit of white in there, just to counteract the ambering of wood over time. But it's not actually a stain. And then this country color, which I squeezed out a bunch of these sample packets so we could at least get enough to try it out. But that's what it looks like when it comes out of the can. This is the next day after it's dried, before I've put the second coat on. Organo wood, one coat only. Opaque wood stain, UV, and country color. So after the first coat, it looks like country color, one on the far right, does the most coverage. Organo wood just kind of looks like slightly greener. UV oil is pretty much transparent. Then you've got various degrees of transparency with the one coat only, the opaque, the country color. So here's the final results after 2 coats and all dry. That's what you come up with. Organo wood got kind of weird there. This darker wood, one coat only, white spruce, wood stain white, neutral UV oil, and country color. Organo wood is not much on this full board. It looks a little greener to me. And then you've got these 2 or 3 that I'm most interested in, is the one coat white spruce. It's a little more semi-transparent. Same thing as this wood stain. They're very close. This is just the UV oil, which is almost transparent. That's just gonna waterproof it and counteract the ambering of wood over time. This country color I think I like the best for my purpose, which is converting these pallet dividers into a picket fence. I just want it to look white. So depending on what you're looking for your exterior project, some good options for you.